Welcome back everyone. I'll go ahead and show you exactly how to fix your TikTok account if for some reason all your videos just seem to be stuck at 0 views, or maybe some of your videos are stuck at 0 views. This is a very easy thing to do. The very first thing I would recommend you looking at is to checking if your account is on private or if it's on a public account. So what you want to do is you want to open up your TikTok app, click on the Me, get into your profile page right here. You want to click on the 3 dots in the corner, and once you come into here, what you want to do is you want to click on privacy. Now, once you click on privacy, the very first option you'll see is this private account option. What you want to do is make sure that that private account option is not toggled on. So you can see it's toggled off. If this is toggled on, you want to toggle it off, because if you're watching this video, you don't want your account to be a private account. You want it to be public so other people can view it, so you can get views and all that stuff. So you want to make sure this is toggled off, and then you want to go back and you should be good to go for the most part. This is pretty much the main thing you can do. Now let's say your account isn't on private and for some reason still some of your videos just show 0 or whatever the case is. What you want to do here is you want to verify that you haven't been posting those videos as a privated video. So what you want to do is you want to click on the plus button down here, and you just want to film a TikTok. Okay, it doesn't really matter, you're not going to publish it. And what you want to do here is you want to click accept, you want to click OK, whatever, you want to click next. And what you want to do is right here where it says who can watch this video, you want to set this basically to everyone. As you can see right now, it says everyone for me. If you click on it, you'll see that there's some other options. There's friends and there's only me. So if you set it to only me, if you have that as set to only me, that'll basically mean that nobody else can view this video except you. So it doesn't matter. It's not going to get any views. So you want everyone to view it. And that's really the main thing you can do after that point. Most of the time, these are the two main things to go ahead and fix it from what I've seen. And it's pretty much a super easy fix at this point. So that's essentially it. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.